A long time ago in a city, four friends lived. Raju, Shyam, Rocky and Vijay. They were very good friends. They played together and went to school together. Raju's, Shyam's and Rocky's families were well off, but Vijay's family was very poor. Few days before Ganesh Chaturthi festival, the four friends planned something. Raju called all his friends and said to them,
I have an idea. Let's all pool money and bring a Ganeshji's idol and worship together. Yes, I will bring money from home tomorrow. I will also ask my parents and bring money tomorrow.
Hearing all this, Vijay said,
Friends, I can't give money. My parents don't have enough money.
Hearing this, Raju got angry and said to Vijay,
If you can't give money, you cannot come in our Ganesh worship. Only if you give money will we play with you. Otherwise, leave from here.
Saying this, Vijay went home feeling sad. His face looked downcast, so his mother Seema to him, Son, why are you sad? What happened?
Mom, my friend said only those who give money can worship Ganeshji. I told them I can't give money, so they said I can't join the worship. I'm not happy about it.
Oh son, why get sad for such a small thing?
Mom, all my friends will place Ganeshji's statue. I want to place one too.
Come, let's do something. We will make a beautiful clay idol, not one with colors that have chemicals. We will use clean mud from the pond to make Ganeshji's idol. This won't pollute water and the idol will be perfect. Then you can set it up and worship.
Really, Mom?
Yes, son. Let's go and get mud from the pond.
Okay, let's go, Mom.
So they both went to the pond, collected mud and made a very beautiful Ganeshji idol. They placed it in their home's veranda, decorated it with flowers and did the idol's installation ceremony. After the pandal was ready, Vijay sat next to the clay idol. Feeling alone, he missed his friends a lot and he said to himself,
My friends must be playing there. No one is here to play with me. I'm completely alone.
Ganeshji heard this and appeared there. And he says to Vijay,
Why are you sad? I'm with you and I will play with you. Ganeshji, you came here for me. You come to play with me. Yes, Vijay, I came to play with you.
Saying this, Ganeshji started playing with Vijay and they were both playing very happily. Just then, Vijay's friends came to his house.
Hey, who are you playing with? And is this your clay idol? Our idol is so colorful and beautiful. Just look at yours. What a colorless idol.
His friends laughed at him. Just then, Rocky to Vijay,
There is no color in this Ganeshji's idol. And who knows who that fool is playing with?
they all started teasing him. Vijay replied to Rocky,
I was playing with Ganeshji. He came out of the idol to play with me.
Hearing this, all the friends laughed out loud. Raju said,
This guy is gone mad. How can any idol talk or play?
Everyone mocked Vijay. Then Vijay said to them,
Believe it or not, but my friend Bal Ganesha is with me. We don't want to play with you either.
Saying this, all friends left. Then Bal Ganesha came to Vijay and asked,
Are these your friends who won't play with you? Yes, Ganeshji, they are. See, even now they don't play with me. And no one believes that you play with me. It's okay, Vijay. I will teach them a good lesson. Ganeshji, they are my friends. Please don't do anything to them. Don't worry. I will just try to teach them a lesson.
Saying this, Ganeshji performed a miracle. With his trunk, he lifted Raju and dropped him far away. Raju stood up quickly and asked his friends.
Oh, who pushed me down?
All friends looked at each other and were quite confused. Raju remembered Vijay's words.
Hey, Vijay said Ganeshji plays with him. Could this miracle be from Ganeshji?
So now Raju and his friends went to Vijay. Raju said,
Vijay, you were right. You really have Ganeshji with you. He taught me a good lesson. Please forgive us, Ganeshji. We brought your colorful idol, but you still appeared at Vijay's clay idol. Why, Ganeshji?
Ganeshji appeared before all children and said,
I don't want a colored idol. I only want you to pray to me with a pure heart. Vijay made my simple idol with clean pond mud. This idol doesn't have chemicals and won't harm the environment. That's why I appeared near Vijay's idol. Now, I hope you all understand that going eco-friendly is the right way for the environment.
The children realized their mistake and they quickly apologized to Ganeshji.
Ganeshji, please forgive us. We made a great mistake. Yes, Ganeshji, please forgive us.
Ganeshji forgave them. All friends celebrated Ganesh festival together in Vijay's Pandal. They worshipped Ganpati every day. That year they celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi with great devotion and joy. So kids, this story teaches us that on Ganesh Chaturthi we should worship only clay Ganesh idols. We should avoid idols with harmful chemical colors.